Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about one of the SQL capabilities which Snowflake supports, and that capability is called as multi-table insert, right? Now think of it like a use case from one particular parent table. We are trying to derive multiple child tables, right? So how do we do that, right? I mean, if you see this kind of screen over here, I have an employee table and there are a lot of department tables, right, that are getting created. And again, this department table is kind of derived from an employee table, right? Now, traditionally, how would we even do that? So what do we do is we have to maybe obviously create the tables, employee and department, and then start inserting the data into the department tables individually, right? Because obviously I want to have a derived table, meaning in one particular department table, I will just associate, some particular sections of the data. Over here, let's say I'm having IT department worth of data. Next is marketing. Likewise, it can be finance, sales, right? So how do we do that? So after creating tables, I have to individually fire those insert statements, and each insert statement obviously will take its own transaction, and then obviously, it will get executed, right? Now, this was more of a traditional method wherein I have to, kind of establish that particular lineage and fire the queries, right? So what is the new way of doing things? And although it has been there for quite some time, but probably it is one of the things which probably is not much talked about, right? Now, this is a capability, within, Snowflake, and one of the advanced feature of SQL, I would say, right? Now, just if you see this statement which I'm highlighting, right? Now, within one SQL only, insert all when department ID is IT, then you load the department table marketing, then you load the marketing table finance, you load the finance table, right? Instead of having individual insert statement within one statement, you are good. Now, if you execute it, although I've executed it earlier, so let us see, right? I mean, how things work, right? So you see this multiple records got inserted, and if I see the output, right, two records in each of these tables got inserted, right? So this is called as multi-table insert within Snowflake, and how it is advantageous, right? Think of it like consistency, right? Instead of having multiple insert statement, you are achieving everything in one statement, right? And the integrity, kind of is also maintained between your parent and the child table, right? Number one, instead of, number two, instead of having things executed in multiple transactions, you execute everything in one transaction, right? And that is how it becomes atomic in nature. Now, in the earlier example, there can be scenarios, right? Maybe in one of the insert statement, things might work, and another one, things might not work. And when we do the consolidation or reconciliation between your employee and department, then there will be a lot of challenges. But over here, it is kind of binary in nature. It is all or nothing, right? And another thing obviously is efficiency. Now, because everything is getting executed in one SQL statement, there is only one to and fro communication happening between your DB server and your kind of instances. So it is obviously going to be improving the performance, right? So that is how our multi-table insert statement works within Snowflake. And yes, it has got various forms, but this is how we are going to leverage the SQL capability to address multiple use cases. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching it.